Yeah. So, okay. The first program is we need to count the characters. Okay, so each character, how many times it is occurring, you have to count. Okay, so that's what we are doing here. So this is the given string. Okay, so we are giving you some string. Let the user give any string, but that you need to calculate. Okay, so you have to easily print that each character how many times it is occurring. So that's what we want. See here. So I'm just taking one frequency array. That means each character frequency I'm going to store in this array. That's why new int. So this string dot length, that size I have to give, right, for array. So I'm giving the data type, array name, so new data type, and the size. Size is array size. The string length is the size. So int visited. So if it is visited, initially I'm assuming that visited is a -1. That means not visited anything. So that's why I'm putting a -1. So iterate the loop. Iterate using for loop this string. So how to iterate? It starts with a 0, right? For int I equal to 0, I less than s dot length, I plus plus. Okay, I plus plus. Int count equal to 1. Okay, int count equal to 1. For int j equal to I plus 1. So j less than s dot length, j plus plus. If s dot caret of I, so double equal to s dot caret of j, okay. See that two for loops we have taken, because you need to compare two, right? This with others. So I'm taking that. That's why int count equal to 1. J means, so next one it is going to compare. I plus 1 means next one. So I plus 1, j less than s dot length, j plus plus. If s dot caret of I means, so first, what is the I value? 0. So caret of 0 means what is the character you will get from here?
Yes, sir.
What is the so 0 position? What is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
A. So you will get A here. Then what is s dot caret of j means? What is the j value? I plus 1. I plus 1 means 0 plus 1. 1. So it will be 1. So s dot caret of 1 means, so what is in the 1? A. So both are same,
Yes,
right? This is also A. This is also A. Then what I'm doing? I'm incrementing the count by 1. So I'm incrementing the count by 1. So then to avoid counting same element again, what I'm doing? So frj, so this element, so not repeating, I'm just saying visited. So I visited this. So that's what I'm doing. Then repeat that. Repeat for all the characters. So how you will get this, you need to loop it. Manually you do that. So I explained very clearly in the beginning how to loop, how to traverse step by step, iteration by iteration. I very, very clearly shown you. So write in the, in this, here you write how I have calculated now. Then, so j plus plus will happen. Next iteration it will go. So if it is not equal, it won't increment the count. So see, next one is, see, you will get a b, right? So j plus 1 means 1 plus 1, 2. So this is the same a, and this one is going to be 2. So the 2 means b. These are not
yes.
same. That's why it won't increment. That means it won't come here. In this if condition inside it won't come. Again j will increment. So keep going. 3. 3 means b. So again this is false. It won't come inside. Again j will increment 4. So 4 is c. It's not same. So again it won't come inside. Again 5. So d. It's not same. So it won't come inside. Next a. So it is same. So then it will increment again. So this is how you can do the so incrementation and comparison. So if you want to check that, so 1, how many times it is. Now you assign that, so that fr of I, so this one, this value, this is the character you want, right? This count you want, that count I am assigning to fri. So frequency array of I am assigning. So that means the count whatever is there, that will go and store in this 0, this value. So now same you repeat that, and I am printing here, I am printing that value. Okay, so just call this method. So in the main method below, you just call it and you will come to know. So just see that. So yeah, so these are all non-static methods, right? So I am creating an object for the same class and then calling the, so reverse string we call, but so that, so whatever the method you want, you can call it. So count characters, here it is. So you will get a nicely. So let's run this. See, you will get like this. A 3 times, B 2 times, C 1 time, D 1 time. So nicely, we designed that. We designed like that, the table format. You can use this logic anywhere. Same way you can use the same logic anywhere. If you want to print like that a table, see this is the print statement, we kept it. That's what this one. And then for loop you are using. So fr of I is not equal to visited. So print that character and that frequency. So both we are doing that. See, that's s dot character of I. See the same methods I explained, I am going to use here in the programs. That's why methods is a very, very, very important. Built-in methods, you should be very, very strong. So what is the purpose of that method? You know that. Then it's going to be very easy for us. Okay. Any questions here before going for the second program? Do you need any more explanation here? Are you good, or so do you need any more explanation here?
Yes. Yes.
But in the interviews, mostly you'll get a string programs only. Mostly you'll get string programs. Or array programs. These two only they will give. Okay. So next, the second program. So reverse a string. Okay, if I give Java, it has to print AVAJ. That's output you need to give it to me. So your method should return the output like this. If you give this string, it has to return this output. So that's what I'm writing. Private void reverse a string str. The user is going to give an input to this method, and then it will generate the reverse string. So how to reverse? So reverse a number we have seen, right? Reverse a number we have seen already. Now how to reverse a string? So string reverse equal to, I'm just initially blank, so empty string I'm taking. Then loop this string. So for int I equal to, so I'm starting with the last character. This is the last character. How to get the last character? String dot length -1. If you do, you will get the last character index. Then I greater than 0, I minus. So reverse equal to reverse plus str dot character of I. Each character I'm getting from the string, I'm appending to reverse string. So that's what I'm doing. Then you print that. So it's a simple method. So one more, reverse a string with the second approach. The second approach is, so take the reverse variable as a same. Okay. Then, so iterate, you start with the first character only. So iteration for int I equal to 0. So observe the difference here and here. Here I am starting with the last character. Here I am starting with the last character. But here in this program, I am starting with the beginning only. From here only I am starting. But how to reverse it? So that's what we are doing. So I less than str.length I plus plus reverse equal to str dot caret of I plus reverse. Str dot caret of I, so plus reverse. So this reverse is changing here. So that's the how second way how to reverse the string. So the next one is, so you need to check, write a program to check given string is palindrome or not. This is another famous interview question. So how to check a given string is palindrome or not? So see if you give, yeah.
Can you explain about logic manually? This one, yeah.
This one. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is happening here? Just I value 0, right?
Yes.
Then, so I less than, suppose you take a Java, okay? You take a Java input. So you just take a str value Java. Okay.
Okay.
So one input you take, this start it. So str dot length means what? 4, right?
4.
So it is true, right? Comes
Yes.
inside. So you come inside. So str dot caret of 0. So what 0 means? What is this? J, right?
J. Yes.
So write J. Reverse equal to J plus empty. So nothing is there. So only
Correct.
you have string in string. J is there. Okay. Now I value will increment. I value will increment to what? 1. So now 1 less than 4, right?
4. Yes.
True. Comes inside. Now what will happen here? So reverse equal to, so current caret of 1. Caret of 1 means what is that? A, right? A
Correct.
plus, so double quotes J. Reverse value. Reverse value. What is the reverse value? J, right?
Okay.
Now
Got
what
it.
you will get
Yes,
here?
yes.
So within double quotes A, Z.
A, J. Correct.
So then go back, go up. So I value will increment to 2.
2.
So then 2 less than or equal to 4. So true. Comes inside, same procedure.
Okay.
So reverse equal to, so str dot caret of 2. Caret of 2 means V, right?
Yes.
V plus is A. So now it will, you will get a, what is the value you will get?
VAJ.
VA.